Now come close, let me whisper this into your ears. If you're looking for a starter, a main meal, or a side dish for Christmas, just get yourself some green banana, some salmon fish, and some Scotch bonnet pepper, and we're going to do this together. Trust me, this is going to be lovely. So let's start by making our hot sauce or hot dip. So for our dip, we used some garlic. I used about 1.5 garlic bulb, one small onion, some ginger, about a thumb-sized ginger. Then I used some celery stem. Then we also added other ingredients like Eden fruit or four corner. I added some calabash nuts, some njangsang, some nutmeg. I also added some country onions or country onions and some white pepper. I'm going to be putting the measurements in the comment section or the description um, box. Then we added a Scotch bonnet pepper. Now you can add more Scotch bonnet pepper depending on how hot you want it, or you can reduce the quantity if you want it to be a bit mild. Add in some water and put to boil. All right. While our pepper is boiling beautifully, let's go ahead and peel our banana. So we are using the green banana, what Ugandans call matoke. Now, for those of you who are tired of eating the boiled version, you can go ahead and make some banana cups. We're just peeling it nicely. This is one of the parts I don't like about banana. I do not like peeling green bananas. I don't know why. From childhood I've never liked peeling them, but yeah, you got to do what you got to do. Duty calls, so we have to peel our bananas. Right? Okay, so once our bananas are nicely peeled, we're going to slice them. We're just going to cut them in twos. We just cut them nicely in twos. All right. So let's go and check on our pepper. Our pepper is ready. It's nicely boiled and the water is almost dry. Now here we have our blender. We're going to quickly blend everything until smooth. Once you boil everything, just transfer it into your pot and put it to boil again, because we do not need to have any form of water in this mixture. So we're going to let it boil again on low heat at this point, or low to medium heat. Just add in some salt and then add a little bit of oil while it's boiling. And a little tip, I have a little tip for you. Just add in a little bit of hibiscus juice. This will enhance the color and the taste of your pepper dip or your pepper sauce. Right, so now you can see it's boiling nicely. The water is completely dried, so our pepper sauce is ready. We're going to set that aside and go ahead to fry our bananas. Just drop your bananas into your hot oil and let it cook for a few minutes. Now you're going to let it fry until it starts looking golden brown. Then you take it off the heat. So once your bananas look like so, just take them off the heat and allow them to cool down. You need to let them cool down. All right. So we took out the first batch and we're adding in the second batch. While that is cooking, we're going to go on to our salmon. Our salmon was pre-washed off camera. We're going to slice them into our beautiful bite sizes. Now you can slice them however you want. All right. So I'm just going to slice them beautifully and then season them with some black pepper, some basil, and then some salt. And I'll just add in a teaspoon of melted butter. So here we are adding our butter. Just adding your butter and give it a good mix. Just mix it nicely. Adding some lemon. I'm squeezing half a slice of lemon into it, and then I'll let it marinate for just a few minutes. Fish easily gets marinated, so we're not going to waste too much time. After about 10 minutes, I'm just going to put it in my air fryer and then go ahead and air fry it. So our fish is cooking nicely. Let's go back to our green bananas. You can see our bananas are cold. Once they cool down, they become soft and easily manageable. So we're just using our lemon squeezer to give that beautiful cup shape to our um, fried bananas. All right, it's very easy. Okay, so at this stage, we have all our banana cups. So I'm just using some salted water I'm just brushing it with some salted water, you know. Now let's double check our salmon is almost ready. Yes, it's almost ready. We're gonna go back and fry our bananas. Now we are doing the 2 round fry method. So we are frying, double frying, or I don't know, I'll call it double frying or 2 round frying method. All right, so once we deep fry our bananas and it's golden brown, we're gonna take it off the heat. All right, just do that until you're done with your bananas. Then our salmon is ready and it's time to garnish our bananas. So we're just going to table plate our bananas and then garnish it with some onions, our hot sauce, and our salmon. It's very easy, but it takes you to a different world, trust me. So just do this and then serve as a starter to your family and friends, or you can serve as a side dish. You can as well have it as a main meal. I had mine as a main meal. I had this as a main meal and it was just more than enough for me. So you can see our banana cups are ready. Our salmon is juicy and the onions gives it a different, you know, a different twist altogether. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and share the video. I love you all and I'll see you in the next one. Do not forget to share some love. Bye.